Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we want to show why this channel has chosen the governor of Abia State, Dr. Alex Otti, as the governor of the year in Nigeria 2024. And we're going to look at the reasons why he deserves this honor, this award. Thank you and welcome on board. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, Abia State, before the emergence of Alex Otti, had been a rent-seeking economy, where those who were privileged to superintend over it as governors were merely rent seekers who were not set out to develop the state. Now, this is despite the fact that the state has an industrial and economic powerhouse like Aba, yet Abia State was in a sorry state before the emergence of Alex Otti. Now, when Alex Otti emerged in 2023 general election, there was a lot of hype, there was a lot of hope coming from the Labour Party, which was like a tsunami sweeping away everything else on its way in Southeast. There was a lot of hope. There was a lot of expectations. And thankfully, the expectations was not in vain, because Dr. Alex Otti did not disappoint. And it was because of that, his capacity to deliver. That's why he is the governor of the year in Nigeria, as far as this channel is concerned. Now, from day one, Dr. Alex Otti knew what he wanted to do and what he wanted to accomplish. He understood that Abia State has a commercial capital and administrative capital. The commercial capital is Aba, the administrative capital is Umuahia, and he set out in earnest to give a facelift and structural readjustment of these two cities. Now, Aba is very important geographically, because of its commercial appeal. But Aba had been neglected for a long time. Aba became the joke of Nigeria, a laughingstock despite its potentials. And Umuahia itself, which is the capital, nothing much was done there. Even the roads connecting Umuahia with the rest of the world were in a sorry state with the rest of other states. They were in a sorry state. The governors didn't do anything to give us a facelift. For instance, you know that Abia is very important if you are going to Akwa Ibom State. It's also very important if you are going to River State, you are going to Port Harcourt. But you will discover that the roads, for example, the Kote-Ekpene Road, linking Umuahia with Akwa Ibom, you see that Akwa Ibom end of the road, fantastic. But the Abia side of the road, a terrible eyesore. All the governors in Imo State, in Abia State, Ojo Zokalo, Theodoroji, Okesikwazu did nothing about the terrible state of Umuahia Kote-Ekpene Road. Nothing was done. You can run smoothly from Akwa Ibom once you are closer to Abia State. Once you enter Abia, you know that you have entered a place that was in a sorry state. The same thing was the situation about to Port Harcourt. But Dr. Alex Otti tackled these two linking roads, two roads. He was able to get quality construction company. He was able to get quality construction company. For the first time, Julius Berger, the construction giant, was brought in to do work in Abia State. Unlike the other time of Ojo Zokalo and Theodoroji, they were just bringing local contractors that don't know what they are doing. And he was able to fix the Kote-Ekpene Road, fix the Port Harcourt Road, you know. That was fantastic. It has never been done before, because he knew what he was looking for and what Abia needed. It wasn't like Ojo Zokalo that entered and began to find out to think of what to do. This guy from day one, he kicked off like a rocket. And Abia is better for it. And look at how fast it took him to give all the necessary support to geometrics, so that Aba, that is an industrial giant in Nigeria, could be able to have steady power supply. He did everything that needed to be done to make sure that the geometric power company is up and running. And the people were happy. The whole Nigeria celebrated his capacity. Now, if you look at other things he did beside geometric and the road constructions, he also look at what he did, what he has turned area market to. He turned area international market to the real international market that it is, unlike the eyesore that it used to be during the rainy season under previous administrations. He was very futuristic in his thinking. And in the area market, every single plaza has an elevator large enough for you to carry your goods to any floor. Right now in Aba, people can drive down Fox Road, drive down into Powerland, and you are still inside the market. You don't have to park to trek. You don't have to park one place. to trek because rules were back. No, Dr. Alex Otti has taken care of all that. Abia that was notorious for the mountain of heaps of refuse is no longer the case. You can't see that no more. And they incorporated a world-class refuse collection system, collection and dumping system. So what are we talking about? This was because Governor Alex Otti was focused from day one. And what has that resulted to? It has attracted investments from all over the world, both local and international investors. They are coming to Abia State because of the work that Dr. Alex Otti has done. He deserves our commendation. And all these places he had opened up because of the roads, that fantastic roads they are considering, are now attracting hospitality industries. Hotels are springing up everywhere. Businesses are springing up. Why? Because he has created a enabling environment. Another fantastic milestone that he has made is to expand Abia economically, which is in fact the biggest impactful project he has, the Enimba Economic City. Enimba Economic City is going to turn Abia State to a hub of industrialization, expanding all the way from Aba to River State, Port Harcourt. Big futuristic project that is going to be a game changer. He's pursuing it vigorously, and the world will marvel when he finishes with the Enimba Economic City. So he has brought about confidence. He has brought about confidence, not just for the local investors, even for the foreign investors to come and put their money in the state. So he deserves to be the governor of the year 2024. He's also doing things on agriculture. He's not just in the private sector, he's doing things on agriculture. He's revitalizing the palm oil plantations in Abia State, so that Abia State will take advantage of its geography, being a place that is known for agriculture, especially palm oil, so that Abia State will tap into this vital product for international market. He's doing a lot on that, and he deserves kudos for that. So he is not only also going to that oil production, seeing that they revitalize all the palm oil plantations. He's also looking at the value chain in palm oil, and they are doing work on it so that Abia can diversify its economy. The only challenge he has faced so far, which is troubling, is the issue of unknown gunmen. But he is doing his bit to handle that. It can be the only negative thing you can mention about since he emerged as governor. These people don't know who they are, whoever sent them. who from time to time, once in a while, you hear that unknown gunmen attack soldier in the checking point and all those kind of stuff. But basically, if you are to score, if I am to score the governor, I will score him 98 over 100 because he made a state in a terrible state. Ojo Zokalu, Theodore Oji, and the Okezikpas left Abia in a terrible state. But this man, Dr. Alex Otti, has done a lot in a short time. And if he continues in this momentum, I have no doubt that he will have no contest with anybody in 2027. I don't know what to think about Dr. Alex Otti as the governor of the year in Nigeria in this channel. What do you think of our choice of Dr. Alex Otti as the governor of the year 2024? Whatever is your position on this, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.